back to the workshop series. For my 16th episode of the season, I am going to be doing a surprise gift for a friend, my friend Sarah, because it's her birthday today, and I want to paint a really crazy alien landscape featuring a lot of crystals. For my 16th project today, I am going to be utilizing a lot of glitter. I got multiple different colors of this. Spray paint, acrylic, I'm going to be drawing on top of this, and I'm also going to be utilizing a stencil. A stencil very similar to this, and I'm going to be utilizing that in the background. My 16th project is now completed. I am really proud of this piece. Happy birthday, Sarah. I really hope you like it. And I just want to say that you have always been there for me, and I just want to say thank you for being so understanding and so supportive of what I've been doing. I wouldn't have made it this far with the workshop if it weren't for you. So thank you so much. You are my twin, my best friend, and we are both hot. And for my next episode, I'm going to be going back to the 10th project. If you remember, I painted a polo shirt that was inspired by Europa the Moon, and this was the first part of a 3-part project. For the next part, I'm going to be painting a jacket and a hat. And then on the 3rd part, I will be painting jeans and shoes. So, stay around. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.